Hi folks, today I'm going to show you how to make air fryer crispy potatoes which are much healthier than deep fried ones. In a bowl, take baby potatoes cut into half, drizzle olive oil, sprinkle garlic powder, onion powder, Italian herbs, smoked paprika, parmesan cheese, salt, black pepper. Mix it well so that the potatoes get evenly coated. Put it in the air fryer basket. Set the temperature to 190 degrees for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, take it out, give it a good mix, and again air fry them for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, your crispy potatoes are ready. Garnish it with lemon juice and parsley and enjoy the potatoes.